Today, we got a special care package sent over by Fred and the good folks over at Dang and Bombing Science. Originally, Fred wanted to send me some of the Dang high pressure cans and some of the mops to review, but where I'm at, it's a little expensive to send paint, but these look really good from what I've already seen. So, let's get to it. Oh, I know what this is. A nice fresh pair of Bombing Science black gloves. You'll probably see me rocking these gloves before this video even comes out. And now for the goods. Six of them. Looks like 3 light colors and 3 dark colors. Ah, shit. Okay, so I guess the GoPro wasn't recording while I was getting these tags with the white, so I'll go ahead and write one more time.
we look in the universe and we see the effects of gravity, and we say, let's add up all the stars and galaxies and planets and comets and black holes, everything that we know about, to account for this gravity that we see. And when you add in the dark matter, this extra gravity, it turns the universe into the universe that we see. That's why we know the dark matter is real. Regular matter, dark matter, and dark energy. This mysterious substance, called dark matter, makes up the bulk of a galaxy's mass and forms the foundation of our universe's large-scale structure. Because dark matter does not emit, absorb, or reflect light, its presence is only known through its gravitational pull on visible matter in space. Tenochtitlan launch was founded in 1325 upon an unclaimed marshy island in Lake Deshko. According to legend, the very spot was marked by the god Huitzilopochtli, who had told the Mexican tribe to seek out an eagle perched on a prickly cactus.
What kind of weed you want?
I'm just smoking a split.
So 5 more Babylon come now, treating me like a terrorist.
I'm just smoking a split.
You should know long time, say Rastaman a herbalist.
I'm just smoking a split.
So 5 more Babylon come now, treating me like a terrorist.
I'm just smoking a split.
You should know long time, say Rastaman a herbalist.
I'm just smoking a split.
Okay, so the dang flex mops. Man, honestly, I was not ready for how trippy these were going to be, and I definitely wasn't expecting the color to be as good as they are. The light colors are really opaque, and they're good enough to go over other tags, and the dark colors, man, forget about it. The silver was really good. It was a little streaky on the glass, but that's because I kind of got a heavy hand, so that's probably more my fault. Great opaque alcohol-based paint. The strong smell resembles nail polish. As far as price goes, these go for $7.99 each, which is not that bad. So if I'm going to be real about it, out of all the mops that I've tried so far, these are right up there alongside the Crink mops in durability and in opacity. As far as buffing goes, I'll have to get back at you on that. I will for sure be ordering some of the other colors for myself to bomb with, and I would 100% recommend these to anyone looking for a good mop that's affordable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.